And time to focus on business now. Business editor Mike Eppel joins us. Mike, the final trading day of the year.
Indeed, Leah, and it has been the same old story on the market so far this morning, as it's been much of the year for 2014. The price for oil front and center. It has dropped below $53 per barrel to open the trading day for WTI crude, down a couple of percent. The Brent North Sea crude price out of Europe is down below $56 a barrel, losing 3%. Oil has been a dramatic impact on so many factors of the economy this year. First of all, no one predicted it would fall back as much as it did from the peak of $107 per barrel back in early June, but the ripple effect, and we're still going to see this obviously into the new year, the impact on government revenues, the impact on production, job levels in the energy sector, the outlook and expectations. When do companies start cutting back on production? Haven't seen much of that yet, a little bit, but not to any huge extent. So that's something to keep an eye on. And the fact that oil has dropped, the price for gas has dropped significantly, the impact that's going to have on consumer spending, and the hit that the Canadian dollar has taken this year. We're at 86 cents U.S. this morning. Our dollar has lost 8 cents in value against the U.S. dollar. That's pretty sizable in a single year, let's face it. And this has impact on the trade balance, the export segment, any of our sports teams, for example, that pay in U.S. dollars for player salaries. It's all a ripple effect that is going to continue through the year. Business Newsmaker of the Year, named by the Canadian Press this morning, Mark Cara, the CEO of Tim Hortons. Who saw that deal coming in late August, that Tim's would be bought out again by an American burger chain? Remember, it was once owned by Wendy's International, this time siding with Burger King, and the $11 billion deal certainly paid off handsomely for investors. Those stocks have done nothing but rise, but now Burger King has to integrate Tim Hortons into its business model. How does it take the brand globally? Where are the cost savings? How does this all grow? That's going to be interesting to see for the new year. And as we are into the last trading day for 2014, the TSX is on pace for a moneymaker. It's still up about 7%. The Dow has moved higher by 8% year to date and on pace for its 6th annual year of gains. And the bond market also been a big surprise this year. We keep seeing interest rates fall in the bond market, and that's actually been a pretty good place for investors as well. So all in all, we close the books on 2014. I don't make predictions because they never come true. Just wishing you a Happy New Year.
And Happy New Year to you too, Mike. That's business editor Mike Eppel. You can hear Mike on 660 News at 26 and 56 after the hour.